parking light is not working. So my husband was gonna do some work on that, change the light bulb, and let's see what will happen later. So let's go and change the right side.
Right side brake light.
Okay, right side brake light.
And I've got to pop these covers off to get to the bolts.
Okay.
Two little bolts that are 10 millimeter.
Okay. It's just loosening it right now. Of the tools.
All you really need is
Yeah, you just
screwdriver.
okay. That one and this one, right? Or this one. At least that. Okay. So now he's taking it out. The whole thing. There's a okay, there you go. Took that one out already. Or not yet.
Yep.
Okay. It's just a little bit hard. Yeah. Looks like this. Oh, it's on the top there. This one, the white one. So now it was out. Just a little bit work. Oh, that one is for that one, huh?
This is for that one.
Oh, see that one. So now he's taking out the bulb, that one in the middle. There. And I can hold it. I can help. Okay.
And
That's
if you
the
see
bulb.
it's black, so
Yeah. So
definitely bad.
yeah, so it's a little bit hard on removing, but yeah, that one is just the one that's holding them. See that one? So that one and that one. And of course, oh, it's not even have anything, just on this one. So it's not really scary because this is like this. See that one? It's not. And then this is have a hole. So now he's changing the bulb.
And it's made so it goes in only one way.
Okay. And can you please show also the bulb look like later? No, the container. Okay. And that's done. You see? Wow, easy. It's just a little bit work on this, but it's just like that. So just need to wiggle a little bit. Oh, done. Okay. Oh, this is what he got for that. Okay, it came off. So okay, now it's working. Yes. Okay, it works now. There you go, guys. That works. Okay. So now he just needs to put it back. So now he's gonna just go in the first one in the top. Push there. Done. And now it's just gonna close. It's easy. That's easy. So this is a brake light on the right side. Okay. That one is done. That one is done. Now he just, so only like two kinds of tools that he used on this one. That one easy. So you can just do it by yourself. You don't need to go to the
You weren't spending
yeah,
$40.
to pay. Oh my God!
$6
And
for a light bulb.
for the light bulb is $6 for two, so it's not bad. It's like you use only one piece. So now you're gonna just flip it. You can put that there, and that other cover, just pop it. There you go. See, done. Just for a few minutes. Oh, and
This pops them off.
yeah, that's how to remove it. Okay, so there's three tools for that. Good. So okay, let's go and do some basic checking on the car, like the oil. What else that we can do for basic here? So this is a 2005 Chevy Equinox. So we changed also the brake. What is that one? The bulb for the brake light. Yeah, yesterday. So now this morning we're checking also all the oil. And what is that one?
Radiator fluid.
Okay, so that's the radiator fluid. So this one is now a little bit clean, really. And that is
Windshield wiper.
okay. So that's the windshield wiper fluid. I think it's okay still.
Yeah.
I can see that. Okay. And that is
Oh, that one is brake. I can tell that one's good.
okay. It's so cool, really. So my son is always on the top of the stuff in here on this car. And that is
The oil.
so the oil. So this one is the oil. We need to see if it's really dirty and needs to do oil change. How you will know? Also, you clean first and then you check it. Okay. If there's a way of knowing it, and there's a the light. Oh, okay, there you go. So how dirty is that one?
Looks like it's okay.
Yeah, there's a
There,
whole.
there's one. It's
Okay.
one down.
So it means it's still good.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a hole. That is a good car. Look at that. Wow. Oh, that's a good one. It's a kid driving it. This one's in my neighborhood. So he's gonna check it again. We'll see. There's a hole there. And what is that one?
It probably could use a cord.
Do we have any?
No, we don't have that.
It doesn't. We doesn't need it. Okay. So that's the place.
And that's the type of oil it's supposed to use is 5W30.
Okay, it's showing in there. So we're good. Checking all of them now.
Yep.
Okay. sometimes you check also if there's a leak.
And cables.
They're good. Cables are good on that one.
Then I'll look at the hoses.
Yes. This one we're gonna. My son is leaving the car to the girlfriend. So we need to check it first.
Okay.
But everything is okay, I think. And I think I need to just wipe it a little bit and clean the because it's so dusty. Okay. Can you please hold this? And I'm gonna go and get a thing to clean it a little bit. There you go, guys. And so we're trying to check all the lights now before we give to the girlfriend. Did it work? I got scared of it. Very good, guys. So lights are good in the front. But look at this water went in on the front like that. It means Rennie said that needs like a ceiling thing. So there's a hole. There's a hole on that area. Yeah, because this one doesn't have water. They cleaned it yesterday. And looks like water get inside there. Oh, you can see that. So it looks like all the lights are good now.
I can only tell in daytime.
Okay. Okay, that's just the daytime.
Well,
Okay.
those are the regular lights.
Okay.
Those are the
I think it's on. Yeah, it's too bright in here. Okay.
and reverse lights.
Okay. Reverse lights and the brake. Okay. So everything is, you can see there's all lights right now. The front, the back, everything.